Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable call recording or automatically record the phone call for specific number or unknown number on your Samsung One UI 7 or any other Samsung devices. This is the Samsung S25 Ultra running the One UI 7 version. So if you have any Samsung device running One UI 7, follow this step to automatically record the phone calls. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device and tap on the phone application. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on the settings. Here you can find the option record calls. Tap on it. Now you can see the different One UI 7 record call settings like a transcribe assist, auto record calls, recorded call list, delete recording. So first of all, enable this feature. Here you can directly enable it. Also see the different setting. Tap on it, auto record calls. Now toggle on the option to record phone call on your Samsung One UI 7 or any other latest Samsung device. Now four option available. All calls with unsaved numbers means any unknown number calls automatically record. Calls with a specific number. Here you need to enter the number to auto record. Just enter the phone number from the recent tab, your contacts list, or manually add the number to automatically record phone call on your device. And the last one is the all calls expect specific number means just enter the number you don't want to record the phone call. So this is quite easy to record the phone calls for an unknown number, specific number using this setting on your latest Samsung One UI 7 devices. You can also see other settings, show notification after recording. So if after complete the recording, you can see the notification in the status bar on your device. Recorded calls. Here you can find the list of all recorded calls you record on your device. And the delete recording older than 1 month. So it will automatically delete the recording older than 1 month on your Samsung devices. The one of the most useful and latest feature in the record call is transcribe assist. This feature is helpful to automatically transcribe the recorded calls. So one of my favorite feature in the Galaxy AI automatically transcribe the recorded phone call. So here you can see all detail. Use AI to transcribe, summarize and translate voice and call recording. So here you can see the call recording section. Auto transcribe recorded calls automatically convert record calls into a text transcript. You can view transcript on the recent screen in the phone app. So transcription language, here you can set the language English, German, Hindi. Also add language from the available list. You need to first download the language pack to transcribe, automatically transcribe and translate offline on your device. Also see the language for transcription and translation. So this is the only available language. So check if your language available or not. So this is the all important call recording setting related to latest Galaxy AI feature to transcribe the language recorded phone calls on your device. So quite easy to record the phone call on your Samsung One UI 7. That's it. If you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.